if you're going to live your life according to a philosophy, ethics in general is not a good way to live your life because you're constantly thinking about the consequences of your actions and the intentions that you're choosing, but you're not actually practicing anything to the fullest extent of the experience that you can have. And I guess you can have an ethical life, but just not one that's prepared on ethics and built on that foundation. More so one that's built on experience and experiential learning. Making the best of your situation, no matter what it is, and letting judgment kind of subside from what you think and comparison subside, and rather than focusing on judgment or comparison, doing what you can do, the best that you can do against adversity and challenges to change what you can while you can, but only if you want to, and only when and why you want to. Because life is short, and the reality is that in the end, you have to make choices, and those choices are what lead you to the experiences that you have. And those experiences become memories. And I think that after you die, those memories are what become you. They're what becomes the foundation of your soul in the afterlife, and what gives you sort of the discrete structure of what you will be, or the organism of what you will be in the afterlife or afterlives. I don't necessarily know if reincarnation exists. I am Christian, but I don't fully merge with Catholicism in a conservative way. I do understand from a Buddhist, Hindu perspective some of the ideals there concerning Brahman and Brahma. I think that in general, life is not about thinking so much as it is about making things the way that you want them to be while you can, and then, life becomes what you make it. And, yeah.